Hello guys, I made this delicious rice and before I knew it was finished, I was practically begging to have a taste of it. Well, follow me, let me show you how I made it. For this recipe, you need the following ingredients. Cabbage, fresh pepper, habanero pepper, bell pepper, green peas, green beans, spring onion, purple onion, chicken, sausage, soya sauce, and oyster sauce. In a boiling pot of water, add your salt, add your margarine, add your rice and cook till it's 80% done. You can add your bay leaf for more flavor. Stir properly and allow it to cook. In a clean pan, add your oil, add your chicken and begin to stir fry. This should take 8 to 10 minutes. Salt it and add any season of choice to enhance super taste it has and continue to stir fry until it is done. Repeat the same process for your sausage and take it off the heat. Add more oil, add your onion and stir, add your tomato and stir, add your peppers, add your green beans, add your carrots, add your cabbage and stir properly. Season with seasoning of choice, add your salt, add your soya sauce guys. You can see it's looking beautiful and stir. Add your meat, add your sausage and stir properly, then add your rice in bits. Make sure you stir properly so it doesn't burn. Add your oyster sauce for that garnishing effect. Add your green pea, add your spring onion. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For that final effect, add your plantain. Yes, plantain. Stir properly. See you in my next video. Bye.